The unicorn indicator in the ICT style is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the charts. Traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and how to use it. We select the indicator file from the navigator section and run the indicator on the chart by dragging the file onto it. Enable Allow DLL imports and confirm. Bearish in brown, bullish in green. It uses zigzag lines, hitting low, correcting, breaking pivot, creating FWG. It uses pivot candle and FWG to draw range. It reacts to range multiple times. For bullish, hitting high, correcting, then the way the indicator works is based on zigzag lines. First hitting a low level, then there's a price correction, breaking the pivot level in this range, and forms a fail value gap, FWG. It then creates a price range, reacts to this range multiple times. In a bullish trend, it hits a high, corrects, then breaks a new high sharply, forming an FWG. It draws a price range, reacting to this range multiple times. In a bullish trend, it hits a high, corrects, then sharply breaks upwards, forming a fail value gap, FWG. The FWG starts from this candle, marking the range with a green rectangle. The price couldn't break downwards, despite multiple attempts. Continuing upwards. In settings, under inputs, there are options. The first part covers display settings, including the indicator's theme, dark, light, and auto. Marked with a green rectangle, the price couldn't break this range downwards. After 3 attempts, it still couldn't break below, continuing upward. In settings, display options include dark, light, and auto themes. Dark applies a dark template, light a light template, and auto changes candle colors. Bullish to light green, bearish to light red. Indicator settings allow candle number adjustments, defaulting to 1000, searching for unicorn ranges. The object prefix option shows or hides level 1. Disabling it turns off a lower zigzag line. Select the dark option. The light option applies a light template, and the auto option changes candle colors. Bullish to light green, bearish to light red. Indicator settings allow setting candle numbers for calculations, defaulting to 1000. The object prefix section lets you show or hide level 1. Disabling it turns off a lower zigzag line. You can also toggle level 2, the major zigzag. I usually turn both off. Select the dark template and click confirm. You can set the number of candles on the chart. Default is 1000 candles. It finds unicorn ranges in those candles. Next, the object prefix lets you show or hide level 1. Disabling this turns off a lower zigzag line. Next is level 2, our major zigzag, which you can toggle. I turn both off, select dark template, and click confirm. My template changed to dark, identified unicorn patterns, and disabled zigzag. It displayed the vertical line for calculation start. We've reached the end of this tutorial. Please share your comments and suggestions below. Level 2 is our major zigzag, which you can enable or disable. I disable both and select the dark template and then click the confirm option. My template changed to a dark color. It identified and drew unicorn patterns for me, and it automatically disabled the zigzag for me. And it also displayed a vertical line showing the start of its calculations for me. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I would be happy if you could share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.